Hello friends, now I will show you how to replace the pickup roller assembly on Kyocera Ecosys FS-1100 model. As you see, I have obtained the 3 rollers, 2 for the pickup assembly and 1 for the separation. So, first take out the paper tray. We will start with the separation roller. First take out the paper. Now we have to push to the center these 2 hooks. Push from that side and from that side and lift up this plastic cover. And now it's easy to take out this roller. Just rotate it a little. And take it out. Using a small flat screwdriver. Push it and take out this assembly. Let's take the new roller and in a reverse order place it back. Now be careful, there is a spring here. Try not to lose it, it's important. Place it back on its place and it's okay. And finally, this plastic cover. Push it down and we are done. Now let's replace the pickup roller assembly. This is our assembly with the 2 rollers we need to replace. First we have to take it out. How to take it out? Press here and here, rotate a little and push to the left. Here is our paper feet assembly. Take out one by one these rollers. First we will start with this. Carefully take it out. Replace this plastic thing here. Place it back and again this thing. Let's do the same with the other. And we are done. Let's place it back into the device. Rotate this little until it fits in here. Then place it back, these hooks here, and push from the two sides of the grey plastic cover. And that's it. We have a new paper feed assembly. Thank you very much and good luck.